Whether working without access to power, decorating, doing projects in a dark workshop, or going camping, this new versatile tripod light is essential for your collection. 48 LEDs emit up to 2,700 lumens, giving you a bright white light, ideal for using up to a range of 10 meters. There are 3 brightness settings to customize workspace illumination. High mode of 2,700 lumen, medium mode of 1,000 lumens, and low mode of 500 lumens. The telescopic pole extends the light head from 0.6 meters up to 1.7 meters. Perfect for lighting up workspaces from above without casting shadows and glare. When not needed, this light can be folded into a compact unit for easy transportation or storage. And with one 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, this light will illuminate any space for up to 30 hours on the lowest setting. This OnePlus tripod light is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your OnePlus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries or chargers. As part of the OnePlus system of great tools for your home and garden, this versatile light will work with any OnePlus battery.